Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question number 91. A. No, sir. The railings are installed for the safety of the pedestrian. B. Does not arise in view at A above.
Your supplementary question, please, Delbert Nugrum.
Sir, I do not expect the reply through Honorable Minister. To you, Honorable Speaker, such a shock reply made by Honorable Minister. This is a serious issue. Let me seek a clarification from Honorable Minister. Okay, if you they're not aware about what question which has been put, so let me remind. I would like to get a clarification from you, Honorable Minister, that on the 22nd October 2024, that was recent months, 3 months back, all the stretch in between the Hotel 5-star and the assembly, they were putting, they were dry, the clothes has been dry all along the stretch. That
Please
was happening in the... Yes.
Time is very short.
Yes, very true, sir. I'll come to the exact question. Then the second, the incident, it was happening on the 16 October 2019. They're exactly in the circle of the Khandai Lat, which erected with a long high mast. Sir, this thing happened. It was really an eyesore for the state, especially this location. It has been from time to time, visitors from all across has been visited. So what will be the message from all these visitors, in regards with these things happen? I would like to get the clarification from you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why the reply is no? Because till today, there is no official complaint has been received by the department. That is the reason why I reply no. Anyway, I know the concern is important. I would like to assure that my member from tomorrow, I will instruct my officer, I won't allow anybody to hang clothes on the
No, that was we are expecting. So if that is the case, I may ask the Honorable Minister, what make you concerned to pass that order, please?
Because you raise these important issues today, you brought to the House. That is the reason it made concern, so that's why I have to play that now.
Is it because I'm raising this question? It's not that this thing happened, it sent a wrong message to the, outside the state. So in this regard, sir, if that is the case, you mean serious, then you know why I'm putting this question, because it's very important, as Khandai Lat is one of the important location for visitors. So let me get a clarification. If the Honorable concerned Minister is so concerned about this, about this incident, may I also ask the Honorable Minister, I would like to know from the Deputy Chief Minister whether the CM can be done regarding the bigger ice trafficking that we see regularly taking place at Khandai Lat in evening till late night, especially on weekends. May I get assurance from you?
Mr. Speaker, I think that is totally different question. Anyway, since the matter is very important, we will examine the matter properly.